I want to tell you one important of silence in your success or in your struggle. Silence is so important. Let me take a look at how trees grows and how leaves falls. I want to look at silence in that one so that I bring out some sense. So now, a seed when planted grows in silence. But what about when the leaves are falling? At least when they drop down, they will make some noise. Pop! So that brings me the topic of creation and destruction. The growing of the seed silent was creation. And then the falling of the leaf, bah, with noise, was destruction. So creation is silent, while destruction is noisy. So, keep silence, keep secret, work silently, and then grow silently.